Welcome back to My Insurance Claim Expert, proudly brought to you by Panther Public Adjusting. I'm Mendy, and today I'm going to share with you a cautionary tale to make sure you have the right policy that'll cover you in times of loss. Remember, if you have the wrong policy, it may have saved you money on your premiums, but when the loss happens, it may cost you significantly. So there are many kinds of policies out there. Some of them many you may be familiar with: homeowners policies, rental policies such as dwelling DP policies, condo policies, homeowner association policies, commercial policies. There's one called builder's risk policy. So builder's risk policies are specifically designed for when your place is under construction, whether you're building a new house or you're completely gutting and renovating your house, as many insurance companies don't want to insure you during these times. The risks are different, etc. However, what happened over here is it's important to understand the policy language. And an insured filed the claim, and after filing the claim, brought us and asked us to represent them. We got involved, wrote our estimate, met the insurance adjuster out there for an inspection, etc. At which point the insurance company discovered something which changed everything. What did they discover? Well, construction had been completed 6 months before. And in fact, they had rented out the property already. And what the builder's risk policy over here said was, you have, within 90 days of completing construction, this policy will no longer be valid. Or at whatever point you rent out the property or it's occupied, it will no longer be valid. And unfortunately, it turned out that this house was rented out, and therefore, while there was damage to the property, it simply wasn't insured. Now, we did go back and tell the insured that they should demand a refund of their premiums at least. But other than that, unfortunately, by not making sure they had the right policy, they weren't insured. That's why I always say, take a look at your policy. In fact, email it to us. We'll review it for you and make sure your policy is what you need. Make sure you have the right kind of policy, etc. Hope this information has been helpful. As always, please like, share, tell the world about us. And if you have any questions or you'd like us to take a look at your policy, email it to us. questions@pantherpa.com. Thank you and have a great day. I'll see you next time.